Question 19, make E the subject of this formula. So we have two E's in our formula and we're trying to make it so the E is on its own. This is a pretty complicated formula. We have this large square root here, and in any questions where you have a large root like that, the first thing that you're going to want to do is get rid of said root. So the first step here is we are basically looking to square both sides in order to make that root disappear. And what will happen is that our k on the left hand side will become squared. So the first mark will give us the following. Once you've got rid of any large roots like that, you kind of want to eliminate any fractions that you have. So the next thing I want to do is get rid of this over 3e. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 3e, which will give me a 3ek squared. And on the right hand side I'll have 5m plus 2e, like so. So the fractions are gone. Given that e is what we're trying to make the subject, I now need to get every term that has an e in it on the same side. It doesn't technically matter which side you choose, but I'm going to put it on the left hand side just because why not? Take away 2e from both sides will make that happen. Now these two terms will not mix together because of that other variable k squared in the mix. So you force the stuff together, or in other words you take e out as a common factor, which then allows you to have a single e term, and what won't mix will be inside the bracket, which is 3k squared minus 2. So all of that equals 5m, and then once you've got your one value of e here, we divide both sides by that bracket, and that will allow us to get e on its own. So we'll have a 5m all over 3k squared minus 2. Done.